It's a 2018 Honda HR-V. Packed with conveniences, versatility, and a sporty driving feel with easy maneuverability, the HR-V tames the urban jungle. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. Automobile points out the HR-V is responsive and agile, which makes it ideal for darting around town and scooting into tight parking spots. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Hurry in today for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.